guys, so today I'm showing you how I make stewed turkey. So turkey is one of my favorite meats to stew. It's so delicious and I absolutely love it. So let's get started with this very easy recipe. Alright, so you could buy any part of the turkey and then you're gonna need to cut it up. So here I have a mixture of turkey wings and I believe legs that has been cut up into smaller pieces. Alright, so once you have your turkey cut up into smaller pieces, you're gonna wash and clean the turkey and then it's time to season it. So to season my turkey, I used a mixture of onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, paprika, ground cumin, and a little bit of ground cinnamon, and also the green stuff is green seasoning. I have a recipe on my YouTube channel of me making fresh green seasoning, so I'll link the video down below for you guys. You can also buy it in the Caribbean section of your grocery store. So season the turkey really well and then you're going to cover it and let it marinate for at least 1 hour, but preferably overnight. Okay, so now it's time to start cooking our turkey. So I'm getting my pot and I'm putting it over medium high heat. Then I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil. You don't need too much. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna go in and add in some sugar. I'm using brown sugar, but white sugar works really well also. So add in your sugar and then you're gonna use a pot spoon and mix the sugar with the oil, and then we're just gonna let the sugar take its time and caramelize. All right, we're looking for a dark brown color. Okay, so just leave it, let it burn, and then it's gonna turn a light brown color and it's gonna start bubbling. And once it turns this color right here, this is what we're looking for. So I'm going to go in and add just a little bit of water, about 1/4 cup of water. You don't want to add too much water at all. All right, and then I'm just going to give that a mix, and next I'm going to start adding in the turkey. So if you want, before you add in the little bit of water, you can cover the pot halfway so that it doesn't make a big splash and you don't burn yourself or dirty up your stove too much. Sometimes I do that. And yeah, so I'm gonna add in the turkey and then we're gonna let the turkey cook for about 10 minutes without adding anything else into it. Okay, and within that 10 minutes you can give it a stir once, because I want it to cook for about 10 minutes so it can take the brown color of the browning. Okay, so yeah, just give it 10 minutes to cook. Okay, you guys, so after about 10 minutes, I'm gonna add in some more water into the pot. So you want to add enough water for the turkey to fully cook. And I'm also gonna season up the meat a little bit more by adding some chopped up onions, some fresh thyme leaves, and some minced garlic. So add in the seasoning and then you're gonna also add some ketchup. Give the pot a mix and cover it back and let it come back to a boil. And once it starts boiling again, now is a good time to taste the sauce and see what seasonings you might need to adjust. So you might need some more salt or black pepper, onion powder, or any of those. Okay, so taste it and also add in some chicken bouillon powder. All right, so I'm just gonna add in some chicken bouillon powder and mix that into the dish as well. And yeah, you guys, now you just let the turkey take its time and finish cooking. So mine took about an hour and maybe about 15 minutes to cook. And yeah, you'll know it's cooked once it's soft and tender and almost falling off the bone. And that's about it, you guys. So yeah, the liquid is also gonna reduce a lot, and in the end you'll have nice gravy to go with your turkey. And that's about it. So for the last 5 minutes of cooking, I like to add some freshly chopped cilantro. So just throw that into the pot, give it a good stir, and let the turkey cook for about 3 to 5 more minutes, and you're finished cooking your stewed turkey. It's gonna be so flavorful and delicious. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this recipe. I hope you give the recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see my upcoming videos. And if you've never tried stewed turkey, give it a try and let me know what you think about it. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.